So very good morning, students. I am Mrs. Neha Kasa, teaching you coordinate geometry, that is Maths 2, and I am from Worli CFS Municipal English Secondary School. So as we know, we are doing the coordinate chapter, and we are on the last exercise of this chapter. So in the last class, we have studied how to find the slope, and I have also told you the uses of the slope in in the various fields, like in the fields of commerce, math, science, whatever. स्टैटिस्टिक्स जहाँ पे ये स्लोप का कंसेप्ट बहुत ही यूज किया जाता है. सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज स्लोप. So we are going to do the last part of the exercise. So that day we have studied how to find the slope of the line when angle is given to you. So slope of the line will be tan theta. So whatever angle is given, you have to find the tan value of that theta. Then we have found that the slope of the line from the given points, 2 points were given to you, and then from that we have calculated the slope. This formula for slope was y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Simply y coordinates में से x coordinate हम minus करेंगे. Third, we have studied how to find the points are collinear. Okay, if the points are lying on the same line, then their slope will come same. Okay, so यहाँ पे determine means we are going to check whether the points are collinear or not. So that also we have completed. So in that we have studied collinear and non-collinear also. If the slopes are equal, then the points are collinear, and if slopes are not equal, then the points are not collinear. So today we are going to do with the fourth sum. So that day we have completed the third. Also I have completed the fraction sum where the coordinate was 5 upon 2. So today we are going to do the fourth sum, like if a 1 comma minus 1, b 0 comma 4, c minus 5 comma 3 are vertices of a triangle, then find the slope of the each side. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, there are 3 vertices given to you, vertices of the triangle. So the triangle name is ABC, and we have to find the each side. We have to find the slope of the each side. ठीक है, so we have to find AB, BC and AC. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमको कुछ प्रूव नहीं करना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमको कुछ प्रूव नहीं करना है. जैसे इसके प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज में we have seen that we needed to prove whether the given points are forming quadrilateral triangle, equilateral triangle and all. So इस ये सम में ऐसा नहीं है. So this is simple sum. यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमको जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए हैं, पॉइंट्स दिए, उसमें से we have to just find out the slope. Okay, so we are doing practice set 5.3. Now fourth sum. So in fourth sum it is given a 1 comma minus 1, b 0 comma 4 and c minus 5 comma 3. These are the vertices of a triangle. Then we have to find the slope of each side. So we are finding the solution. ठीक है, तो अगर इसको हमको लिखना है, we can write let a this be x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3. ठीक है, we can write this for our convenience. So we have to find the slope of the each side. Okay, so we have to find the slope of each side. So slope of line AB, or also you can write segment AB, so that at least you write the formula once. So that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. ठीक है, तो y2, so AB का slope find करे तो this coordinate में से this coordinate हो to minus. ठीक है, so when you write like this, it becomes easy for you. So here it is 4 minus minus 1 and upon 0 minus 1. So 4 minus of minus 1 is 4 plus 1. We are going step by step. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5 upon minus 1. So that is minus 5. So slope of line AB. So that is -5. So give this as 1. Okay, we are not going to compare. ठीक है, हम compare नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमको सिर्फ slope find करना है. Then slope of line BC. So once you have written the formula, don't write it again. Slope of line BC, it will be y3 minus y2. ठीक है, हमको C के कोऑर्डिनेट से B का कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस करना है. So that is 3 minus 4 upon -5 minus 0. So 3 minus 4 is -1 and -5 minus 0 is -5. So minus minus will get cancelled. The answer is 1/5. ठीक है, तो फॉर्मूला में माइनस है, so to take care of that. So slope of line BC is is 1/5. Now last, that is AC. Slope of line AC. Okay. So from C coordinate minus the A coordinate. So slope of line AC क्या होगा? So 3 minus of -1 upon -5 -1. So 3 minus of -1 is 3 plus 1 and -5 -1 is -6. So 4 upon -6. Okay. So अभी ये 2 के टेबल से इसको हम और डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. We can make it to the lowest term. So 2 2s into 3s. So value is -2/3. So slope of line AC. Okay, so this is -2/3. Okay, so इतना ही पूछा है. You have to find the slope of the each side. So final answer you can write slope of each side is -5, 1/5 and -2/3. ठीक है, so slope of each side is -5, 1/5 and -2/3. ठीक है, तो हमने कुछ ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं किया है. We have not done anything difficult. So this was very easy sum. Okay, so I'll keep it on the screen. You can have a look. यहाँ पे वही दिया है. There are 3 points given to you and you have to find the slope of each side. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे slope of each side means slope of line AB, then BC, and then AC. You can also write segment or you can also write side. ठीक है. So in this case of triangle, we have to find the slope of each side. So I hope you have understood this sum. Your final answer you are supposed to write. Like slope of each side is, you have to write the final answer -5, 1/5 and -2/3. So we can move to the next sum. Okay, so we can move to the next sum. So show that points A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram. Fifth sum is given. Show that okay, so I have written the question for you. So fifth question is given. Show that the points A, B, C, D are vertices of parallelogram. Okay. Parallelogram. Parallelogram के properties we know that opposite sides are कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंड पैरेलल, ठीक है। तो अभी हम स्लोप फाइंड कर रहे हैं। स्लोप ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन, स्लोप ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट लाइंस, दिस ऑल आर सेम, ठीक है, सेम ही आएगा। इट द स्लोप फॉर सच लाइंस विल बी सेम। सो यहाँ पे भी हमको प्रूफ करना है दैट द vertices are forming the parallelogram, ठीक है। So in this case, in each case, we are going to find out the slope of each side AB, BC, CD, and AC. Solution: we have to find the slope of line AB. So slope of line AB. So, yeah. So that is equal to. So we can write the formula once. So now AB is 2 minus 7 and minus 1 minus 4. 4 भी minus में है. So that is minus 5 upon minus 1 plus 4. So that is minus 1 plus 4. So that will be 4 minus 1 is 3. The first answer we have got is 3. So then this is equation 1. Slope of line AB. Okay, similarly find the slope of line BC. Line or side you can write. So BC क्या होगा? It will be C के y coordinates में से x coordinate minus करेंगे. ठीक है? So 5 minus 2 upon 8 minus of minus 1. So whenever there is a minus sign, please use bracket. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So that will be 8 plus 1. So 3 upon 9. So this can be cancelled. 3 ones and 3 threes are. So that is 1 upon 3. So slope of line BC is 1 upon 3. So slope of line BC हो गया. Now the slope of line CD. So CD will be again minus 4 minus 5 upon 5 minus 8. So minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 and 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So this will get cancelled. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So that is 3 upon 1. And last we have to find out that is slope of line AD. So AD that will be minus 4 minus 7 and 5 minus bracket minus 4. So that is minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11 and 5 plus 4. So that is 5 plus 4. That is 9. So minus 11 upon 9. Okay, so you can check the slope of line AB, BC, AC, and CD. सबके slope अलग है. So if all the slopes are different, then we cannot say that they are forming a parallelogram. ठीक है. अगर same कोई भी दो sides का same आता, like AB and CD if coming same and BC and AD is coming same, or any two are coming same, then we can write they are forming a parallelogram. Okay, once their slope are coming common, same, then only we can say that it is a parallelogram. But this is not forming a parallelogram because the slope what we have got are different. So we can write from 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get that A, B, C, D points do not form parallelogram. ठीक है. ये तो जब भी अगर स्लोप सेम आता है, इक्वल आता है, so in that case only we can write that the lines or the sides are forming parallelogram. ठीक है. So you have to check in each case like AB का क्या slope आ रहा है, BC का क्या आ रहा है, AC and CD. And after finding all the slope, after comparing all the answers, only you can write your own final answer. तो जरूरी नहीं है अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया है तो आएगा ही. You have to show, you have to check. So we are moving to the next sum. So sixth sum, so to find the value of k if r1 comma minus 1 s minus 2 comma k and slope of the line rs is minus 2. Okay. So find k if r1 comma minus 1 s minus 2 comma k and slope of line rs is minus 2. ठीक है. तो इस in this case slope is given to us, that is minus 2, and we have to find the value of k. ठीक है. r and s are the points and slope rs is given minus 2. ठीक है. So using the slope formula we can find out the value of k. ठीक है. So solution, So slope of line RS is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. ठीक है, तो स्लोप ऑफ लाइन आर एस इज गिवन -2, तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे -2 एंड हियर सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. सो दिस इज योर x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. ठीक है, so it will be k minus of -1 and here it will be -2 minus. ठीक है, तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करो. So this will be minus and minus will be plus, so k plus 1 and -2 minus 1 is -3. So now cross multiply. Multiply this 3 with 2. So -3 into -2 is 6 and minus minus will get plus. So it will be 6 will be equal to k plus 1. So 6 minus 1 is equal to k. Okay, so 1 we are taking this side, so it will be minus 1. So what will be the value of k? It will be 5. Okay. So last में यही पूछा है, find the value of k. So in this case, value of slope was given to us, and from the value of slope we have found out the one of the coordinate which is missing in the given point. Okay. So I'll again revise. So to find the value of k, if point R and S are given and the slope of the line RS is -2. So slope of the line RS is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So that is the slope formula. Slope is given -2. So -2 directly यहाँ पे लिखना है. And here substitute the value. So that will be k minus of -1. So whenever you have the subtraction, wherever you have a negative coordinate, use the brackets. So that will be k minus of -1 and it will be upon -2 -1. Formula का minus है वो. ठीक है. So this will be k plus 1. Step by step solve करोगे. And -2 -3 is -2 and -1 is -3. So in next step cross multiply. So 3 will get multiplied with 2. So it will be 6 because minus into minus will get plus. And it is k plus 1. So rearrange the terms to find the value of unknown. So you will get the value of k as 5. So final answer you can write. Value of k is equal to 5. ठीक है. Similarly, we can solve the seventh sum. So seventh sum, it is find the value of k if b k comma -5 and c 1 comma 2 and slope of the line is 7. Okay, it is same like this only. Find k if b k comma -5 c 1 comma 2 and slope of line is 7. Okay, the slope of line is 7. So we can write the solution. So we can write the solution. ऐसे ही solve करना है इसको. So slope of line BC. Slope of line BC is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. ठीक है, so 2 minus of minus 5, use the bracket, and 1 minus k, and slope of line BC is given 7. ठीक है, तो 7 से ये हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, so 7 into bracket 1 minus k, and this will be 2 plus 5. So 7 into 1 7, 7 into minus k is minus 7k, so that is 7. तो दोनों तरफ 7 हम माइनस कर सकते, तो 7 and 7 will get cancel, तो minus 7k is equal to, ये 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो ये 0 हो जाएगा. सो in next step, so if you'll just keep k, so k will be 0 into minus divided by minus 7, so answer will be 0 only. So value of k is 0. इसका जो next step है, if we multiply minus 7 will go that side, it will be divided by minus 7, so that will be value of k will be 0 upon minus 7 is 0 only, so therefore the value of k is 0. तो यहाँ पे if you're getting 0, then don't worry, it can be 0 भी अगर आंसर आता है तो you should not worry because the sum is accordingly designed. Students get panic अगर हमको आंसर 0 आता है तो 0 कैसे आया, so it is not like that. Whatever answer you get, you can cross verify your steps, and if there is no mistake, then there is no mistake in your final answer. Okay, so this sum 6th and 7th sum were almost same. So I'll keep this on the screen if you want. Sarita, why you're raising hand?
Miss,
Yes,
screen is not visible.
screen is not visible. It is visible. For me, it is visible.
Miss,
There is network issue. We are moving to the last sum of the exercise. So that is 8th sum. Eighth sum, you have to find the value of k. Find k if PQ is parallel to RS and PQRS points are given. So S point is 5, k. So I will write the question. So to find the value of k if PQ is parallel to RS. Okay? अगर PQ parallel to RS है means slope of line PQ will be equal to slope of line RS. ठीक है, अगर parallel है तो slope same होगा. So using that property, we can solve this sum. So solution, PQ parallel RS. So that is given this slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line RS. Okay, so slope of line PQ will be slope of line RS because the lines are parallel. Slope of line PQ. So we can directly write the coordinates. So यहाँ पे हम formula नहीं लिखेंगे. So here it will be 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4 upon 3 minus 2. That will be equal to 5 minus k minus 1 and 5 minus 3. ठीक है, सिंपली मैंने कोऑर्डिनेट को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है. 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So k minus minus 1 is minus 1 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So just cross multiply. So this will get cross multiplied. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and it will be 1 into k minus 1 is k minus 1. So k का value क्या होगा? 4 plus 1 is equal to k. So k is equal to 5. Okay. So this was very easy sum. Only the thing, only the logic what you have to apply is, that slope of the parallel lines are same. They are equal. That's why slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line RS we have taken. So this was also a comparatively easy sum. This was the last sum of our exercise. You can practice many sums from the problem set. Solve as many sum from the problem set. So we can solve 1-2 sums from the problem set which are a little bit different, or we have we can have for the practice also. Okay, so if question is given like find the coordinates whether they are forming a square or rectangle. So now you have two methods. You can solve by the distance formula or you can also solve using the slope formula. Okay, slope formula से भी आप find कर सकते हैं if the lines are parallel or if the lines are congruent then the slopes will be same. ठीक है, और अगर हम distance formula से find करेंगे तो distance formula में आपको पता है we have to use that complete formula for the 4 times. So anything you can do by any method. अगर पूछा है एग्जाम में solve using the slope formula then you're supposed to use the slope formula. If it is asked find using distance formula then you have to use the distance formula what we have studied in the first exercise. ठीक है, so मैं एक sum solve करती हूँ from the problem set. So that is problem set. So whatever contents that are not there for your 10th एग्जाम के लिए कंटेंट नहीं है, बट आगे जाके वो कंटेंट तुमको वैसे भी पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, even they are reduced from the syllabus, still you are going to study for your reference. So we all know that the portion is deducted due to the pandemic, but still जो भी self study है, that you are supposed to study. Even though the questions are not going to ask, they are not going to ask questions from the omitted section, but yes, in future, like this slope is very useful. So such concepts are going to come in your next classes. So even if you don't study now, then in the next class you are going to study. So we are going to solve problem number 15. So to show that, I will write the sum. Show that A 4, minus 1, B 6, 0, C 7, minus 2, and D 5, minus 3 are vertices of square. So as I told you, like nothing is mentioned, solve using distance formula or solve using slope formula. So you can use any formula. So if you want, we can solve it by both the method and then we can also check. So I'm solving this using the slope formula. I will also solve this using the distance formula. Okay. So चारों का slope हमको find करना है to find whether they are vertices of square. So slope of side AB will be 0 minus 1 upon 6 minus 4. So that will be minus 1 upon 2. So let this be 1. This is slope of BC. So BC will be minus 2 minus 0 and 7 minus 6. So again that will be minus 2 upon 7 minus 6 is 1. Then slope of CD. So CD will be again minus 3 minus 2 upon 5 minus 7. So that will be minus 5 upon minus 2. So this minus will get cancelled. Answer is 5 upon 2. So this is a third statement. And last, we have to find the slope of line AD. So AD will be minus 3 minus 3 minus of minus 1 and then 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4. So minus 3 plus 1 upon 5 minus 4 is 1. So minus 2 upon 1. So you can check statement 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can check the slopes of first, second, third and fourth. So इसमें हमको second and fourth are same, but first and third are not same. if all were same, then these are forming the vertex of the square. लेकिन सिर्फ दो ही सेम आ रहा है, so we cannot say that that is a square. ठीक है, चारों sides का slope अगर same आता है, so then only we can say that the it is forming a square. Okay, so we can write from 1 to 3, 4, slope of line AB is not equal to slope of line DC is not equal to slope of line CD is not equal to slope of line. सिर्फ दो का ही slope same आ रहा है, but other two का slope are not same. So from 1, 2, 3, 4 we get that A, B, that points A, B, C, D are not vertices of square. ठीक है, अगर सब सेम आता है then only we can write that it is a square. One last sum will do from the problem set. That is sum number 22. To find the slope of the diagonals. Okay, so diagonals. So we can have a rough figure if you want. So find the slope of the diagonals of a quadrilateral with vertices. Sum number 22. ठीक है, so find the slope of the diagonals of a vertices 1, 7, B 6, 3, C 0, -3 and D -3, 3. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे you can have the rough figure. So diagonals, you know, opposite जो vertices होते हैं वो होती है AC and BD. So when we have to find the slope of AC and BD. So A, so if you want, you can write the coordinates here itself. You have to find AC and BD. The slope of the diagonals. So solution, slope of diagonal AC. Okay, so AC will be -3 -7 upon 0 -1. So -3 -7 is -10 and that is -1. So it will be 10. Where we are going to find out the slope of diagonal BD. So BD. So it will be 3 minus 3 and minus 3 minus 6. So that will be 0 upon minus 9. So 0 upon any number is 0. ओके, तो सिर्फ डायगोनल से स्लोप फाइंड करने थे हमको, सो हमने फाइंड किया. स्लोप्स ऑफ डायगोनल आर 10 and 0. Okay. With this we have completed this chapter, and also we have solved the practice sum. We have solved the sums from the solved examples. In next class we'll revise the entire chapter. We'll again go through the formulas, go through some of the solved examples, and then after that I will give you a small test, and during the online class only we can discuss with the answers. So I'm keeping the sum on the screen. So if you have any doubt, we can discuss in the next class.
Yes, Neha ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.